We are pleased to show you the 2018 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.